standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Duramax Diesel channel. Hopefully you guys are fantastic. We got something a little special for you today. Obviously we're not working on Duramax. This is a Jeep. It happens to be my roommate's Jeep Grand Cherokee. And today we are going to be powder coating his rotors. So we're taking them all off, front and rear, and we're going to disassemble them and basically prep them, which Jared is working on now. He's cleaning, so living the good life. Getting them as clean as possible. We're gonna show you now. Oh, you can't see me. Now be mindful, we do only have a Harbor Freight powder coat gun, which we've done some other things and it came out pretty good. So the quality is still up there, but maybe not perfect. And we're gonna be doing an illusion powder coat today. So it is a 2-stage powder coat, so we're gonna go over doing that. Bake times, all that good stuff, but we're gonna get set up here, start tearing, we'll keep tearing stuff apart and basically get everything ready so you guys don't have to watch all the cleaning. So while we're waiting on the cleaning and preparation of all the powder coat stuff, I wanna take a quick second to thank, I'm gonna butcher it, it's Enerforce, I think is the way you say it, or ENR Force, whatever you wanna call it. But anyways, David over there sent me some goodies to show you guys on the channel, so thank you. It's I'll put the link below, but it's probably gonna be backwards. Enerforce.com. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up and show you what we got. And yeah, just take a quick minute to do that. So in here, this is the first item, which by the way, some dope bags. I don't know where he got these made. I'm gonna have to talk to him because I like them. First things first, we got a hat. And I believe this is their, man, I forgot what series it is, but just an awesome plain with their logo hat. I love these hats. Obviously, I'm wearing one right now, so definitely a hat that I will wear. I'm gonna try to keep this one nice because it's super clean. So definitely thank you for that. Next, we have a shirt in here, which again, we had only talked about him sending me a shirt. So thank you guys again for the keychain, which we'll get to in a minute, and the hat. It's definitely badass. Oh, we're about to lose you. So we have a awesome t-shirt here with their logo on it. Just badass, simple, clean design, definitely awesome, and thank you guys. Try to keep this stuff clean. I know I'm opening it while I'm working, so probably not the best move, but. And finally, as I had mentioned, a badass leather with a engraved plate on here with their logo. Keychain. This thing is sweet. It's gonna go on my keys right now. I've been needing one. I just have a bunch of keys sitting here without anything on it, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. Voila. Awesome. So again, thank you guys at Enerforce. We are going to put their link below and make sure you guys go check them out for any of their cool merchandise, and you know, just go check them out. And I believe on Instagram is David_Enerforce, so make sure to go give him a follow. Alright guys, so the video was a little bit of a wash so far because of the routing, but basically we put the green coating on it and we put them in the oven at 390 or 400 degrees just about, and we watched them until they gelled out, which they kind of makes them look more like paint. Gave them 2 minutes after that, pulled them out, let them cool off. Now we're applying the top coat, which will actually bring the color out of the piece, which is kind of crazy. We'll see on these first pieces here in a minute. But we pulled them out, and we're gonna go ahead and you know, see how they look. But hopefully everything goes as planned. They're in at you gotta put them in 390, and then when the part gets 355, it's like 18 minutes after that. So we'll keep an eye on it and keep going, and we'll show you the finished product. So we have the brakes back on and fully bled. Let me grab a light for you here. I don't know where it went. And man, that stuff's looking good. 2-stage powder, rebuilt the calipers completely, bled the brakes, everything's looking good. So we're gonna wrap up, get these tires on. We'll do one more shot, maybe outro or something, but that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it kind of got messed up, and a lot of videos have been lately, and I apologize for that they've been kind of spotty. We have these wood signs that we need to get done for an important job, so we've been routing and it's super loud in here, so I do apologize. But if you did enjoy the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. A lot of the good things to come here soon, so we'll see you guys later. I'm gonna head out.